Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make cool money with palmpay app. Okay guys, so as you can see this app page, the opening page of here now, what to do if your own is not open like this. Next thing to do is just go to invest. Okay, so when you get to invest, it will look like the way my own is. Okay, so the first thing to do is to come down to this place. I'm going to explain this one how you can make cool money with cash box. Okay, when you open the cash box like this, as you can see it here, you have total interest and total withdrawal interest rate. Okay, the interest rate of this one is 20%. So what you are going to do is that make sure you deposit. When anytime you deposit to your account, okay, automatically if you come down here to open this place, just press it on. As you can see, my own is on. Okay, so you just have to come there and on it. Anytime you deposit to your account, automatically it will auto save to cash box. Okay, when it auto saves to cash box, so make sure the money remain in 24 hours, stay a day, so that interest can be added to it. Any day the money spent, every day you will be receiving interest. It based on the money. Okay, if you have money like 20,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 on it, you will receive a lot of interest, because if they are going to add it every day like that, you can receive 400, 200 every day like that. But if you have just like this one now, the one I use for them is when I have just 200, 400 naira. Okay, you can see the interest plus 18 plus all this one is just 200 naira. You can see it now. The money in is 2008 plus, and then the money out is 2400. So on top of 400 naira, so you can see the interest just for. But if you have money, big money there like 10, 20, you will receive cool money every day. The logic is that just make sure you use this palmpay as your pioneer bank, and you make sure the money is there, and you continue receiving interest every day on this cash box. They just introduce it. Okay guys, it's not on palmpay before, they just introduce it, so you receive money every day. So that is for cash box. Okay, so let me go to spend and save now. So under this spend and save, allow it to pop up. Okay, the network is very slow here. Okay, so we allow it to pump up before we can continue. Let me pause the video so that we won't waste much of our time. So guys, to continue with this spend and save now, so that cash box, you can withdraw your money anytime, any day. You can spend when so you can do that one, but make sure the money is remain there. So spend and save now is this one. Whatever you are spending, make sure 20% you are depositing it, and that is how you earn money from this one. Okay, when you have done that, just come down to this place, fix amount, just fix amount, and then you click on start. Immediately you click on start, you continue your earning your money. The one that we introduced last year is fixed savings. Okay, this fixed savings now is a very good. Okay, like now you just come down here, you have 100,000. Say okay, you want to make sure the money before you spend the money, or when you have budget on that money, and then the day you will spend the money, you can calculate the day you will spend the money, and you can save the money on your palmpay here, and introduce whether you want the money to stay for 7 days or 60 days or 90 days or 180 days or 365 days, based on your plan. Okay guys, so just come down here and tap the duration you want, and then you will see that on 60 days, try to 12%, 7 days 10%, the money that we added to your money before you withdraw that money on a specifically day you choose. So this one, I have done this one when I want to buy something, so I see a lot of interest on it. Okay guys, so if you be able to do this, you are going to make cool money. The logic is that just make sure you use this app as your pioneer bank. Okay guys, so you continue making your money on palmpay. So that is how you make cool money on palmpay, aside from all the giveaway they are doing, all the referral, all this thing, blah blah blah. But this one, believe in me that you will make cool money here if you do this guys. So I want you to comment anything that you don't understand. Just comment, I will reply you. And then if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you stay tuned for my next video. Peace.